shit day in, day out. Got me on a new grid, fade in, fade out. Play me for the new kids, they need saving. Fuck all the cool kids, they complacent. Me and you will never be the same adjacent. I'll be on a new wave down in the basement, making anything that I feel to a statement. Flipping those words, transform to a payment. Take all the pain, turn it into gain. Take all your thoughts and flip them to insane. Push all your limits, there ain't no restraints. Cause bitch, we're going hard today. The girl in the back room, she been looking hard, long hair and the tattoos, rocking that skirt, yeah, dean of the classroom, stay here to learn, teach me how to crack you, she be with the hard work, damn, she a starter, I could be smarter, I could work harder, I could go farther, I could be sharper, take all my pain and flip into a monster, welcome to my roster, just another foster, we gon' make it harder. No, I don't need a spotter, I just need whatever gets me to the next dollar. Turn the bass up to the bad fucking ears, it. Turn the bass up till we all lose hearing. Lose myself for a second, no fearing. I don't need help in this bitch, now I'm steering. Take all the pain, turn it into gain. Take all your thoughts and flip them to insane. Push all your limits, there ain't no restraints. Cause bitch, we're going hard today. I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now.